Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to join Semrush affiliate program. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Semrush account, which of course I've done right here. Now how can you create an account on Semrush? Pretty simple. Launch on a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar for browser, type semrush.com. That's going to take you to the official website for Semrush. Once you get in there, follow through the on-screen prompt to create your account. And after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Semrush. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to join Semrush affiliate program. So from here, I'd like you to head over to the top corner of your screen where you have these tabs, which include features, price and resources, company, app center, and extra tools. So click on company. And you have this extended menu that says about us, newsroom, careers. There's a story in affiliate program. Go ahead and click on affiliate program. So shape marketing while boosting your income. Join the Semrush affiliate program and start earning commissions for every first purchase and trial made by your referrals. Now click on apply now. So you're in this page where you're going to have to scroll the way down till you find sign up. So click on the sign up button in here. Semrush contract terms. So the terms are just going to be displayed, but we just really cannot wait for that. But just go ahead and click on accept. Now I can sign up and start earning. You can sign up with email or you can use any of those alternatives. You can head over to Google and just click on sign up with Google. So over here, you're going to have to select the account for this purpose, which is this. And I'm just going to punch the continue button. So right here, we have this form to fill out. Name, address, mobile number. And I have read that I would not like to receive the latest partnership news. So I'm just going to click on get started. So the next step is to verify your number or to verify your email. Okay, so once you do that, the next window is to verify email. So you have to check your email if they're verifying your email for you to get a verification code, or you can check the phone number and check the text message to get a verification code, depending on the prompt that comes for you. So the next step is, what is your primary business model? So let's say content and reviews. You can choose from any of those options and head over to punch the continue button. Scroll the way down. Which method do you use to promote? Let me say add social. So over here, you can select any of your social media accounts that you want to add. So you can click on that. Now it says to add your Instagram account and share. So you can click on continue. And you just need to add your Instagram account, or yet saying Facebook. So log into Facebook and go ahead and just log in. Okay, so let's say I'm just enter my login details. So once you enter the Facebook details, they're going to take you to this window where you're gonna need to wait for a purpose. So you have to go to your Facebook account on another device, open notification, and approve of this. So this is pretty much a very personal account, but let's say you have gone through that and you have added your social media account. The further steps actually self-explanatory. They're just gonna let you in, or they're just gonna take you through a process to let them know how exactly you want to promote Semrush and how exactly you want to join the affiliate program. So once you're done filling out all of those details, it's going to take you right into the affiliate program page or affiliate program window where you can now follow through with the processes or the prompt to start making money in Semrush. All right, so that's pretty much the process. Now you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.